Maybe that's...
Rice
Maybe you
ball,
have to put it in the
candy
microwave.
Never said anything about that. I mean,
Oh, I think you have to mix water with it, maybe.
For the egg roll and sausage, spaghetti, fried chicken, candy, broccoli.
Gross.
Ew, seaweed. Ugh. And a fork. And this thing. Sorry. Okay, I gotta break this off. Oh, I gotta cut it. Can I get some scissors, please?
I never tried that.
Water to section 1. That's section 1?
Yeah, this one is. It's the broccoli.
And I never tried this.
Broccoli?
Yeah. So, wait. That's a full cup, right? And add it into here. Okay, did that. Now, add powder from green packet. It will become firm in 3 minutes.
Entertainment.
Oh no. Whoa. You'll see it. Just do I mix it in? Yes, I do. Whoa, that's really cool. Now I'm gonna mix it in. I mix it in.
It's so weird.
It's so tiny. And
Then what do you do after
gummy.
it's mixed? You gotta let it sit a while?
Oh, just sit 3 minutes.
Oh.
I'm gonna make the other.
Section 2 is what?
This one. It's the egg roll.
It's the what?
The egg roll.
Egg
Like,
roll?
should I add like a little bit more like that?
It looks ugly.
Oh, here.
Mine is better.
Yep. Totally. Ooh. Ooh. These are like French fries.
No, the green beans are like French fries.
Oh no. Ew.
It's really gross.
Ew. Oh my god, I don't even think I want to eat this anymore.
How do you know how much water to add? Oh.
It says
Oh,
add,
that
like, a
measures
full
all
triangle.
each of them. Okay.
Ew, that looks so gross. I can't. So, where's section 3? Oh, right here. Alex.
Hey, Alex, don't do that, please.
Right there. That's, ew, it's squid. Oh, sausage, I guess. So, this is sausage.
Sausage, that's weird. I've never seen a sausage shaped like that.
Me neither. It looks like a squid. Ew, I don't want to make seaweed.
So there's spaghetti, rice ball. Why are there so many different weird things? Fried
This
chicken.
looks gross. This one does.
Because I asked her what she made from the store, and she said all she wanted was chicken soup and burgers.
I'm sure it don't taste like sausage. It probably tastes like strawberry. What's it smell like?
But then she doesn't want me to buy anything.
I don't know. It tastes like an orange and mango flavor. It tastes actually pretty good.
You're probably just making like your own gummies.
My golly jeebus. Okay, a rice bowl. Rice ball, whatever you
I
call
want to
it.
see the candy.
So add 2
It's not ready yet.
No, I want to see the
You
candy.
want to see what it looks like?
1,
It all looks ugly. Mine is better.
2, and
Wanna
then
try one?
add, where's the rice ball?
You want to try one?
Rice ball. Right here.
Nothing.
So can you eat it? It's not spicy.
Add it in.
Well, that's all for you.
It's all for me.
Yep.
It's not for you. It's not for you.
Oh, it
It's
smells
not
weird.
for you.
Smell.
You get nothing.
They're all
You
fruity.
get nothing today.
Ooh,
It's like Jello powder.
yeah. Except it hardens like right away. See?
Like a gelatin.
Thank you.
that, but when I went to Zimba,
I'm gonna have to edit it though, because you keep saying poopy head and stuff like that.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
So ready to do it.
What's this called? Chicken?
this is called chicken. This is not chicken. This is boogers. Ew. Oh, this is
That's
spaghetti.
spaghetti? How are you supposed to make that into spaghetti?
I'm gonna throw up. So then you're supposed to add it into the bag.
But then at the same time, like, yeah.
It's disgusting.
So,
Add it into-
he's gonna do
Why is putting it in a bag gonna turn it into spaghetti?
You'll see.
Oh, you know?
Yeah. Squeeze it out.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you squeeze it out.
You cut the bottom or something?
No, you squeeze it out. Yeah.
if I ever get
No, I'm okay.
How about you?
I'm making my own food.
How about you?
Great food.
How about you?
Best food ever.
You want some food?
Okay, a really tiny hole.
scheduled induction.
Really? It does say that?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna. Does it have to harden sit for a while first?
Oh, okay, let's see. Let's see. Sorry, you can't see, but
Hold it up more. Then I'll turn. I guess it is working. It's pooing.
But he did all, he went by himself anyways. Yeah, but he didn't, like,
hoo-hoo.
It does work.
they don't want
Spaghetti.
to be off work.
There's your spaghetti.
Okay, I can't. This is really good. I literally Let's roll out the egg.
Ooh, it does work. What is that supposed to be?
An egg roll.
I already knew it.
So are you supposed to roll it?
I did. Look.
Oh, I thought maybe you'd roll it the other way.
That was horrible.
Maybe not.
Oh my god. My gosh, I'm sorry.
And I took them
And that is what?
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
took about an hour
Flip it
for
up.
that to go away. No, you should have seen that.
That is actually
That
lovely.
worked. That turned out
That
actually.
turned out.
Like, when I
I don't know why that's a sausage. It's not even the shape of a sausage.
This is a squid.
A squid?
A squiddler.
it was insane.
I'm gonna let
Do
that
it. Do it
sit
from
a
the
little
back.
more.
Yeah, sit. That's it.
Today, when I went
So
Grab
and those
my
are what?
rice.
down,
This is my triangle.
That's rice.
Yep, and then this is my
they were
panel.
like out to here.
Now I gotta add my fried chicken. And then I gotta add my spaghetti. Is this supposed to harden?
Be careful. Yeah, just slide it on there.
Like my
Careful.
desk, and like the farthest I can do is this. And if I put them up, I have to scoot my chair all the way back, and then I can't reach.
There's your meal.
No, I'm not done. My squid has to be
Oh,
done.
your squid.
Yeah, so.
I thought you said it was sausage.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I like don't. 100 layers it has it's kicking through, so you don't really feel it.
This is gonna be like a 20-minute video.
It's not.
It turned out.
He's been breached like ever since my first ultrasound.
Should we-
This is my meal.
That's okay for now, but like.
Okay, bye.
You can present it to your mom now. She can eat it.
What are you gonna do? Ready?
Are you gonna taste this stuff?
It's cute.
Okay.
Are you gonna taste that yucky stuff you made?
Let's open my things. Okay, let's open
What are you trying first? Oh, the egg roll?
egg roll.
Ugh. It's like doughy.
People eat that Lily in real life.
No, really taste it.
Tastes like lemon.
Chew it. It's like Fear Factor.
No, I just don't like that it's so squishy.
Spit it out.
Okay, let's try my broccoli. Oh, this is the worst tasting one.
Is it lime? Lemon? Lime?
Tastes like medicine. Let's try my rice.
Don't let it crash.
Ew, it smells.
That was good. Huh?
I can't with it. I can't with the rice.
Fried chicken?
I don't like it.
Does it taste like chicken?
Okay, now this weird sausage.
What was it? What did the chicken taste like?
But
Can you wait a minute, please?
That's good. Oh, I still gotta try the spaghetti?
Mmm, looks yummy.
No, it doesn't.
Spaghetti probably looks better than the rest of it.
Alex, are you purposely being little?
What's it taste like?
Does it taste like?
Looks delicious to me.
No, you can try it yourself.
Spaghetti? Does it taste like candy?
Yeah. Tastes like cotton candy.
Do you like it?
Cotton candy?
Do you
Really?
like it?
You can eat it all if you want.
Try the chicken.
Yeah, try the chicken.
Ooh, it's so thick.
It's not really chicken, it just is supposed to look like it.
That rice.
What's that chicken taste like?
Okay.
Do you like it?
No.
No? Okay, you wanna try this broccoli?
Have a drink of water if you don't like it. Wash it
I'm
down.
not gonna get my tongue. I don't like it.
You don't like it? Try the rice, the white one. Oh. Is it getting stuck in your throat?
Oh, he ate the whole thing!
He likes it better than you do.
I almost threw up with it.
It's the red stuff.
That's sausage.
Sausage. No? No good?
Try the rice.
And try this one out.
This is supposed to be for kids. Kids in Japan like this.
Couldn't you? Kids in Japan are so
What you got there?
Oh, he got the egg roll.
Egg roll?
Ew, he ate the whole thing!
He puts the whole thing in his mouth. It's not that bad, is it?
Yummy!
Is that like lemon?
You like the egg roll?
Yummy egg roll. Red rice. 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2,
2,
1,
3, 1,
go.
Put the whole thing in.
I'm gonna spit this in garbage.
You can spit it out.
can
Just
spit
spit
it
it out
in
in
here.
there.
We're gonna throw this away anyway.
Yeah.
Oop.